Good evening, everyone. I hope you guys had a blessed day. I just came out here to make this quick video about another money making opportunity if you guys are interested. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is Dollars Make Sense. That's the name of this channel. And on this channel, you're going to get nothing more, nothing less than videos that teach you how to make money online, okay? So, welcome. I would like for you to like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video, okay? So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a app, and it's an app, and you can also use it on your PC. Okay, it's called Honey Game. Okay, now this is an application where you get paid to allow them to use to basically sell your unused data. Okay, basically they're paying you to allow them to buy and sell your unused data. Okay? So once you get up to $20 on here, you can cash out. So basically 20,000 points. So you can download this on your PC, you can get it on your Mac, and you can either get it on an Android iPhone. Okay? You can download it from the Google Play Store. Okay? So you would have to come to honeygame.com and you can install it on your Windows computer or your Mac, or you can get on your download it on your iPhone, on your phone, on your Android phone. But you'd have to go to the app from your to the website from your Android phone in order to get in order to download it. Okay, so basically, like I said, Honey Game, you get paid to allow them to buy and sell your unused data. It doesn't, excuse me, it doesn't affect your computer or anything. It's not going to affect anything. You just let it run in the background. Okay, let it run passively in the background, and once this adds up to 20,000 points, you get $20. You get paid to your PayPal. Okay, $20. Okay, and it has a referral program. It says invite your friends, and you get 10% of what they earn. Okay, so I believe once you get up to like 1,000 points, that's $1 on here. Right now, I'm at 14 cents. Okay, and they have gathered 138.81% of my data to date. This is how much of my data, 8.25 megabytes is what they've gotten so far. Okay? So the longer you let this app run, the more money you make. Okay? So I got 14 cents right now. So I just wanted to come on here and bring you guys this passive earning application, because it can really help you guys make money. All you have to do is you can either, like I said, you can get it on your Windows computer, you can get it on your Mac, or you can get it on your Android app, and you can let it run in the background. Let it run, and it'll gather up all your data. It'll do this passively in the background. Okay, so like I said, I did some research on this, and I wanted you guys to know about it because I heard about it, but I don't think I ever used it. So, um, I like to do my thorough research before bringing you guys anything. So yeah, that's basically it. So if you guys are interested in using Honey Gang, remember you can get it on a Windows computer and a Mac, or you can download it on your Android phone. Okay, it's only for Android. It's not for an iPhone. So these are the three applications you can install it on. You can get it on your PC, you can get it on your Mac OS, and you can get it on your Android. Okay, so you can get it from the Google Play Store, your old Mac OS, or a Windows computer or PC. Okay, so I'm going to leave the referral link in the description below. If you guys are interested, you can sign up through my referral link, and it'll take you to my dashboard, and you guys can sign up. You can get it. You can install it on your PC or your Mac, or install it on your Android phone, and you can go ahead and let it run. I would honestly, I'm gonna do it on my desktop just because I'll be able to check it every now and again while it's running. That's the reason I'm installing it. I have it on my PC because my phones have so many other applications on them right now that I would rather have it on something that I trust, and I'd rather have it on my PC because I'm normally on my laptop anyway, so I can always leave it open and I can always go back and check it. So yeah, that's why I downloaded it on my PC so I can check it every now and again to see where I'm at. But right now I am at 14 cents. Okay, once you get up to 20,000 points on here, you will get $20 to your PayPal. Okay, I believe if you let this run passively, you'll get up to you know 20,000 points quickly. I recommend using this every day, in my opinion, so you guys will get the points you need to get the money. But yeah, this right here shows what's been used in the last 30 days, and this shows how much they've gathered today. So today is December 19th, 2019, and this is how much they've gathered today, 140.92. Okay, and this is how much I've earned, 14 cents. And I know you guys are like, wow, you haven't really earned that much, but you have to let it run. You cannot expect it to just, you have to sit there and let it run. Okay, so just install it, open it, let it run, leave it alone, let it run, as long as you can, and you'll be good, okay? So, that's basically it. I hope you guys like this video. Like it, share it, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Remember, I'm going to leave the referral link in the description below if you decide you want to sign up. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.